Assalamu alaikum students. Welcome back to our English 2 class. I hope you all are safe at home by the grace of Almighty. I am Tanaka Moshid, assistant teacher of Iskar Kindergarten. Dear students, we are learning about number. And in our previous class we learned some rules to change singular number into plural number. Can you remember? Let's have a look. Generally, we add s with the singular noun to make it plural. If singular nouns end with s, ss, ch, sh, x or z, we add es to make them plural. If the last ch is pronounced as Bengali cha, we add es. But if the last ch is pronounced as Bengali ka, then we add only s to make them plural. Some singular nouns end with y, and before that y, if there is consonant letter, we omit that y and add ies to make them plural. For example, army. Before the y, there is consonant m. So, to make it plural, we omit y and we add ies to make it plural. Today we will learn some more rules to change singular noun into plural noun. So let's start. If singular nouns end with y, but before that y, if there is vowel, then we add only s to make them plural. For example, boy, boys. Before y, there is vowel o. So students, this is the exception rules of rule 3. Try to remember this. Rule 4. If singular nouns end with f or fe, then we omit that f or fe and add ves to make them plural. Can you give some example of this type of words? Yes, wolf, wolves. To make wolf plural, we have omitted f and we have added ves. Life, lives. To make life plural, we have omitted fe and added ves to make it plural. But sometimes we add only s to make this type of words plural. If singular nouns end with o and before that o there is consonant letter, then we add es to make them plural. Can you give some example? Which words end with o and before that o there is consonant letter? Yes, like buffalo, buffaloes, echo, echoes, mosquito, mosquitoes, etc. But if before that o there is vowel letter, we add only s to make them plural. Can you give example of that type of words? Yes, right? Radio, radios. We have added only s to make radio plural. Ratio, ratios, etc. Rule 7. Some singular nouns change the inside vowel to become plural, like foot, feet, tooth, teeth, man, men, etc. We add en, ren, any with some singular nouns to make them plural, like child, children, ox, oxen, etc. Okay students, I hope you have understood. Now it's time for feedback. Change the following numbers. You know how to write in your copy. At first draw a table like this and then pick up the words, then write the correct number. Today after this, stay home, stay safe. Thank you.